Hey guys, I don't know if you've ever experienced pickle contamination and had no idea where it was coming from. So of course the pickle solution is what we jewelers use after we solder our silver to clean it up and get all the gunk from soldering off, right? So once the pickle gets contaminated and you put your good silver in the pickle pot, it creates this kind of either I've had a black or a dark film gets over it, or sometimes I've seen like a pink film, and it's very hard to clean. And also, like, it makes soldering, if you try to solder this, it won't stick well. Your solder is crap. Ow, bending. Got too hot. Oh no. Normally, you contaminate your pickle solution if you use stainless steel tools to retrieve your jewelry out rather than copper. You're supposed to use copper so you don't contaminate your pickle. However, in this case, I was using the copper tools and I was still having contamination. So check this out. This is what was going on, and then I'll share how I fixed it. So I've had issues with my pickle getting contaminated, and I haven't been able to figure out why, because I've only been using the copper tongs. Well, just a minute ago I noticed my lid is corroding, it's turning green. And then I remembered this lid is not, it fits wonky, and it'll tilt, and it keeps tilting and getting in the pickle. And that metal ring is dipping in the pickle and contaminating it. Things to watch out for. Ah, it almost went there. God, stupid thing. So basically what's happened was my lid was not fitting right anymore. I have no idea what happened. It's the little crock pot. For some reason the lid went bad and it was just kind of spinning. In order to fix that, I took some of this silicone caulk and a caulk gun, and I went around the inside. You can see there's a layer of kind of white in there. That's that caulk. And then I also went around and just coated it. And now it fits really well. It doesn't spin anymore and get in my pickle. So problem solved.